Hello student, today we are going to learn NCRT NCRT additional problem. It's for chapter 3 class 12. Okay, it's 3.21. It's in a physics. Okay, it's a class 12. So 3.21 problem. It's book back problem. Okay. So mostly additional question will be very difficult question they will be giving, because each question will be having a own track. Okay, I am explaining it's a 3.21. So it is a infinite circuit. Okay, so it's going like this. So I applied the voltage here. It's going to be the 12 volt. Okay, so always EMF have the internal resistance is going to be 0.5 ohms. This side I applied. Okay, 1 ohms, 1 ohms, 1 ohms. It's going till infinite. Okay, so instead of doing like a next value will be the same. Okay, next value will be for the infinite circuit will be the same. Okay, because all the combination will be having the same. If you are taken here as x, means instead of taking here as x, you can take it here also as x. Okay, reason it's going to be the circuit. The answer will be the same. If you are taken here or here, both will be giving us the same thing, because it's going till infinite. Okay, so I am going to take it till here as a x. Reason everything as a 1 1 1, and also it is a infinite circuit. Okay, next value will be in a same pattern. Okay, so I am taken till here as a x. Okay, so this as a x. I will tell you when I am doing the problem, easily you can understand why I am taken that value as a x. Okay, so like this, it's going to be 1 ohms. It's going to be 1 ohms. Okay, here only I applied the voltage 12 volt and 0.5 ohms. Okay, voltage internal resistance 0.5 ohms. Okay, now this is 1 ohms, 1 ohms, 1 ohms, 1 ohms. It is x. Okay, totally I am taken as a x everything. Okay, first we will solve this, then I will be telling why we are taken as a x. This two is in a parallel. So 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by x plus 1 by 1. The answer for this x 1 plus x. Okay, just it is for 1 by Rp. If you want Rp is equal to x divided by 1 plus x. Like this we'll get. Okay, so now I got this two solution. So this two solution I got. Okay, so now we have two more 1 ohms resistors also. Okay, then see here, this value I got, it's going to be solution of this x by 1 plus x, and this is will be 1 ohms and this will be 1 ohms. Okay, so I applied voltage as 12 volt and 0.5 as the internal resistance. Okay, our circuit is become very simple. Now I am solving this. So it's going to be R in series. So it's x plus x divided by 1 plus x. It's going to be plus 1 plus 1, because it's in series. You can add all the resistance. Okay, now this solution answer definitely I should take as a x, because reason this we are taken as a x. It's also having like this combination. So this also going to be the x. Okay, x is equal to x divided by 1 plus x is plus 2. Like this will have. Okay, I hope you understand, because the same condition will come in the next pattern like that. Okay, see here, this much this like this circuit is there. Till here I am taken as a x. Okay, till here I am taken as a x. In case if you are taken this as x, means this solution equal to x. I'll repeat again. I am taken after this x. Okay, x. Then this 2 you should add with this x. This 2 together will become as a x. Okay, again this will be answer will be in parallel. Then this 2 will become in series. Then this 2 will become as a x. Okay, like that will be continue. Okay, so now what is the solution for this? So we can easily find what is the x value. See here, next step I can do, x is equal to x plus 2 1 plus x, just a cross multiplication divided by 1 plus x. So 2 you can take it inside. So x plus 2x plus 2 divided by 1 plus x is equal to x. This you can take it as a cross multiplication here. So x 1 plus x is equal to x plus 2x plus 2. So it's going to be x, when I am taken x inside, x and x square plus x square is equal to x plus 2x plus 2. So from right side I am bringing as a left side, all the value will become as a negative. I am finding what is the value of the x. X is going to represent as the whole resistance, plus x square minus x minus 2x plus minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, plus x minus x get cancelled, x square minus 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. Same pattern, ax square plus b x plus c is equal to 0. We have algebraic formula. For this we can use this formula. Okay, so x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Here a is equal to 1 because of this, b is equal to minus 2 and c is equal to minus 2. We have the comparison of equation. Okay, so b I got minus 2, it's going to be minus of minus 2, then plus or minus root of b square will be 2 square will be 4 minus 4 into a will be 1, c will be minus 2. So divided by 2 times of this going to be a, it's going to be 1, like this will get. Okay, next solution I am doing for this, I am going to find what is x. Minus minus is going to be plus 2 plus or minus root of 4, it's going to be minus into minus plus 8 will get divided by 2. Okay, so next see here, x is equal to plus 2 plus or minus root of 12 divided by 2. Okay, instead of writing 12 you can write the same 12, you can write as a 2 into 3 divided by 2. Now square root of 2 into 2 you can take it 2 outside, so 2 plus or minus 2 root 3 divided by 2. Now 2 take common outside, it's going to be 1 plus or minus root 3 divided by 2. So 2 get cancelled. Okay, 2 get cancelled. Now we are going to get x is equal to it's 1 plus or minus root 3. Okay, root 3 value is going to be 1.7, 1 plus or minus 1.7. Now x is equal to 1 plus 1.7 or x is equal to 1 minus 1.7. Okay, there are two values we can get for the x. Okay, only this value you can take it, this value no need, because this value will get as a negative, resistance can't be negative. So x is going to be the resistance, it's going to be 1 plus 1.7, which is going to be 2.7 approximately. If you want accurate value, it's going to be 2.732 because it's going to be 732. Okay, now our circuit is like this. So total resistance is going to be the x, it is connected, it's applied with the voltage of 12 volt and internal resistance 0.5. Now the total resistance of the circuit, it's going to be 2.732 plus 0.5 because internal resistance. So answer for this will get 3.2. So total resistance, how much no in this circuit? We'll get total resistance is going to be, total resistance of the circuit 3.232. Now current is equal to V divided by R. V is going to be 12, R is going to be 3.232. So this answer will get as the total current is going to be 3.72 ampere. Okay, thank you for watching my channel. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you everyone.